Welcome to Tomahawk DIY, everyone. Today we're going to take a look at some dishwasher repairs. This is a GE Triton XL dishwasher. I think there's some other brands that are similar. We've been having a few problems lately. It doesn't seem to be cleaning really well, and we've also had a problem with this top spinner arm falling out during the cycle. So let's take a look at how I'll fix it. The dishwasher, if you need to get your rack taken out, one of the first things to do is remove these tabs. To remove the dish basket, you just need to pop this tab out. On this particular style, you just need this little flathead to pry the tab and slide it out. If you happen to break these, they're fairly inexpensive to replace. You can probably pick some up on Amazon. I'll put a link down below. Some also have a style that inside there's a notch that you need to pry back from the inside of this rack. Once you've taken out the stops on both sides, then you can pull the rack right out and set it over to the side. With the rack out of the way, we're going to take a closer look at how to get this screw secured back in when the plastic that it goes into has been stripped. JB water weld, since this is in a wet location, but it's an epoxy formula that'll basically turn into plastic. There's also Loctite brand products, two-part epoxy, that can work as well. So let's take a closer look. As you work with this stuff, make sure you're wearing gloves. It's good to not get this on your fingers. Now this JB weld comes in a little different from the Loctite. The Loctite brand usually has a two tube squeeze and put the material out. This one has the two parts, the gray and the white, in the same tube. And cut a piece off the end here. And mix this stuff together. Got some bit of metal in there from the packaging. We need to kind of knead this together until it's a uniform color. Now this says it's got about a 15 to 20 minute set time. These come in a variety of different speeds. There's some that are fast drying, some that are slower. This is one for in water conditions. I'll include some links to Amazon. You can find and pick up the right stuff. So this epoxy is really a wonderful product for joining together plastic and sealing up holes and fixing plastic parts that have broken. Alright, with this all mixed together uniformly, now we're going to put it in the hole. So we're going to take and work this up into the hole. Now we can put this screw right into the plastic. This says it bonds a lot of different metals, and so if you want to get the screw back out, I'm going to put on some Teflon tape, and it's not supposed to bond to the Teflon. So that'll give you a chance to remove the screw after the plastic's hardened. Alright, with the screw in, we're going to let it cure. I'll remove some of this excess epoxy before it starts hardening. Alright, now that some time's passed, we're going to back out this bolt, and we should have threads inside our plastic now. Alright, you see how the Teflon was, some of it kind of stuck up there. Alright, now that we've got the epoxy filler put back in and we've threaded the plastic, we'll now reassemble everything. So I'm going to slide this up and over, and then there's this gray plastic internal washer or a bearing piece that comes in with the screw going through the screw going through it all, put it up and thread it in. You want to tighten it, but don't tighten it too much. You don't want to strip the plastic again. And there we have it. We've fixed the spinner. Should stay put now. Go ahead and put your rack back in. Remember to put the plugs in on the side rails, and your dishwasher should be fixed. Thanks for watching Tom Hike DIY. Hope you enjoyed the video, like it, and have a great day.